Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Our today's topic is Top 6 Effective Natural Remedies Against Flying Pests. There's nothing quite like the feeling of a warm summer breeze wafting through your open windows. But along with the fresh air can come some unwanted guests, flying pests. These pesky insects can quickly ruin a pleasant afternoon. And unfortunately, they are more common in the United States than you might think. Here are top 6 effective natural remedies against flying pests. Essential oils. When you combine essential oils with a water-based mixture, they have great uses in the kitchen. Pest repelling qualities can be found in the essential oils of lemongrass, citrus, peppermint, tea tree, catnip, and lavender. In a medium spray bottle, combine 1 cup of water and 25 to 30 drops of oil. Shake well before using. Then spray any cracks or gaps in your kitchen where pests may be hiding. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Ginger. Ginger is a great way to deter flies, as they detest the strong smell. Simply place few slices of fresh ginger root in a water bowl and leave it in the kitchen where bugs are hiding. The scent will repel the flies, and you can enjoy your time in peace. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for many problems, and repelling flying pests is one of them. Just mix equal quantity of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spritz around your kitchen areas. The strong smell of vinegar will keep most flying insects at bay. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is another essential oil that can help to keep flies away. Mix few drops of peppermint oil with water in a spray bottle and spray around your doors and windows. The strong scent of the peppermint oil will deter the flies and keep them away from your space. Soapy water. A simple dish soap and water solution can be very effective at trapping flies. The flies are attracted to the sweet smell of the soap and then caught in the water when they land. Basil. This popular herb is not only great for cooking, but it also repels flies. The strong aroma confuses their sense of smell, making it difficult for them to locate food. I hope this helps you guys. I'll be doing more videos like this, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in the next video.